Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, and welcome back to a new lesson in Learn Arabic with Dina in the series of learning the sounds and the way to write the letters in Arabic, which will help us inshallah to start reading and writing Arabic. In today's lesson, inshallah, we will start with the friendly letters, and I have picked the first group of those friendly letters as they are similar in their shape. And the four letters are ba, ta, tha, fa. As you could see, all these four letters are similar in the shape. They have the same flat cup, as you could see. As these four letters are friendly letters, this means they have four different shapes. The first one is the isolated shape, which the letter by general, when it's not connected in any word, you find it in that isolated shape. Second is at the beginning of the word, where these letters are going to join from the left side, and they are found at the beginning of every word. The second shape is in the middle of the word, so they have a letter before and a letter after them. So they join from the right and they join from the left. Finally, at the end of the word, and at the end of the word, they will join from the right side, as there will be no letters coming after them. Please note that the Arabic writing is a cursive writing, so all the letters are going to be joined together in a particular word. Also, the Arabic writing is written from right to left, so it is from right to left in a cursive way. Let's start with the letter ba. The reason I've joined these to be in a similar, if you learn how the ba is written, then you can follow the same exact procedure for the letter ta, tha, and fa. So let's start with the letter ba. We will start with the isolated letter first. The letter ba, as you could see, has a flat cup. So we start from the right side with a flat cup on the line. And then we have the ending, which is the tail. And the dot comes under. Similar to that are the rest of the letters. So the ta, same cup with the two dots on top. The tha, same cup with the three dots on top. The fa is having a head and then come back, and the same cup and a dot on top of the head. Sound of the letters: ba, b, ta, ta, fa, 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 fa. Again, ba, ta, fa, fa. Now the trick is, anything comes under the line and the tail will be removed when we start joining the letters. This is very, very easy to understand and helps you a lot in joining. So if you look at the letter ba, ta, tha, and fa, there is nothing comes under the line because it's a flat cup, and only the tail. So just imagine removing the tail and now start adding the handles, depends on their position. And we will apply that only at the beginning of the word and the middle of the word. What I mean by that, if I have to remove the tail of the letter ba, ta, tha, and fa, we end up with this shape. Now for the beginning of the word, add to that shape the handle from the left side, because they will join with all the letters comes after it. So you will have the shape of the letter ba, ta, tha, and fa as following. Write along with me. All the same shape. Similarly, add a handle on the right and add the handle on the left side, and that makes the middle letter. So start with the right side always, which means the right hand, the letter, the left hand. Start. That. Same to that. Ta. Tha. And fa. Now let's join the letter in all its shape together. Look at this. Ba beginning, ba middle, and ba at the end. Do the same to the letter ta. Excellent. Do the same for the letter th. And follow along with me for the letter f. Ahsantum, mashallah. Excellent. So these are the shape of the letters b, t, th, f. The 4 friendly letters which can join from the beginning, middle, end, and they have also a separate shape of them. Let's see some example of words where those letters appear at the beginning and middle and the end. Let's start with the letter ba. Ba at the beginning of the word, like in the word batta, batta. Middle of the word, as in the word maktab. End of the word, like the word qalb, qalb. Letter ta at the beginning of the word, like the word timsah, timsah. Middle of the word, like the word sitr, sitr. End of the word, like the word takht. Takht has a beginning and the end as well. The letter tha. Tha as in thalab, thalab. Tha in the middle of the word, as in the word untha, untha. And tha at the end of the word, like the word layth, layth. Fa at the beginning of the word, like the word farasha. Middle of the word, like the word qifl, fa in qifl. And at the end of the word, like the word hatif, hatif. So you could see now the letters in all their shapes in the initial, middle, and end of the word. I hope today's lesson was beneficial for all of you. If you like today's lesson, kindly subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done. And don't forget to press the notification button to receive from me all new. See you in the next lesson with new 4 friendly letters. More writing and way to go for reading. And assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.